I'm trying to advertise over here. If someone's willing to buy this phone for 60K, feel free to DM me.
Go on, bro. So what's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Yo guys, welcome to Lag It Down. First of all, thanks a lot for checking this video out because it really means a lot. This is our very first video in this channel. I thought most people actually. So guys, this video might be all over the place because all the processes. We actually have no experience on what we're doing, and we are pretty nervous on the first day. We had much things planned for the first podcast. So basically, how this podcast goes is we're gonna have some celebrities or influencers such as TikTokers. We have contacted, and they are all ready to start it from second podcast onwards. So it's gonna be pretty interesting. But the first podcast, we thought of like giving a small introduction about ourselves and the show. So again, as I told, that's Abdul, wearing red, and the hoodie person is Dasit. Okay. So we were gonna do this small game-like thing today on our country and what's happening in our country, but unfortunately, Abdul messed it up by breaking his phone. So only thing we have to talk about is his phone now. Yeah, so that's it. I'll talk about. Exactly. So, I've never seen a guy breaking his phone in just 17 hours, a brand new phone. And,
A phone
it's
that
like
costs
what?
more than 100,000 rupees.
Exactly, exactly. And look at the amount of damage he has done. Charging port damage and heated up his phone. Then he got a message saying it's heated up by playing Call of Duty. I don't know what he just did. And the display's gone. So how do you manage to do that, Abdul? Can you please know how do you manage to do that? That's really
In the first day itself, you have to take care, you charge it, and
But you didn't do anything, huh?
anything you won't do it. Exactly.
and then it happened.
That guy told don't put too much stress into the phone, just use it a bit, let the battery drain, and then charge it. You can, and then after that you can do anything you want. But this guy just downloaded Call of Duty, a 5 GB game, into his phone, and this guy just overheated the phone, and he just ruined it. He just ruined 100,000 rupees in just 17 hours.
110,000 to be exact. That's
and it
great, man.
happened to be
Yeah.
and it happened to be after it got heated, the display had to be gone. So this is the phone
Display's
damage.
gone too. Display's gone too. Like,
Exactly.
mean,
I mean, okay, I have I have a normal phone. Like, if the display goes in that, it's okay. You can just buy a new phone. But this phone, it's a Note 9, and no one, even if I had a normal phone, I wouldn't use it for 17 hours and throw it away. This guy bought the phone for 110,000 rupees. Okay, sorry, did I tell that correctly? Yeah, right.
it's 110.
Yeah, 110,000. Yeah.
Yeah.
And now, because the display is gone, he's selling his phone. He used his phone for 17 hours, and he's selling his phone again now. He's selling it for 60,000.
I feel like we should just give a hats off for Abdul's mathematics knowledge right there and just finish that.
After this podcast, no, after people viewing this podcast, no one will buy this phone, I guess.
Yeah, but then if this podcast goes pretty well and we earn from it, then we can buy you a new phone.
Exactly. And we really appreciate the support.
And like all the YouTubers say, click that bell button somewhere down here or here.
I don't know where. But yeah, seriously guys, appreciate your support and let Abdul buy a new phone. Seriously, let Abdul buy a new phone.
If someone, okay, I'm trying to advertise over here. If someone's willing to buy this phone for 60K, feel free to DM me.
Go on, bro.
Please contact him through Instagram. All our Instagram usernames are below in the description. And this phone case has been going through our circle of friends for a pretty long time, especially Dasit's phone. remember Dasid's phone. Dasid had a iPod first. Yeah,
iPhone.
I have no idea how that broke, and then iPhone after that, and then he had this Samsung. What Samsung? What broke?
M10.
Yeah,
No,
he
no, no,
had
no. It's
no
actually
the
my
one before.
J6. Yeah.
Yeah, the J6.
That
Okay,
person used it. Yeah.
so it's like a pretty new phone when he bought it, and it was like just 1 or 2 months after he bought the phone, and he bought it to school the day after our O-level exams finished, and I was so happy that our exams were over, so I just smashed the phone to the floor.
Right on the floor, concrete, guys. Boom, smashed it. He ruined my whole life in that. And not only him, my other friend, I can't name him. I bought a phone like less than a month, and I was so excited. He was like, his phone is waterproof. It's my one waterproof. So he just put it into the jacuzzi. I couldn't find it for like half an hour. Finally got it. So gone.
Why
This is
didn't
what you
you?
guys are doing.
Why
And
didn't you
this
put it in?
position, you didn't ruin your phone, your friends.
I remember.
Yeah, Abdul?
Why didn't you try putting the grain?
The rice thing.
Yeah,
Does that
Well, I
work?
did. That's what
yeah.
saved it. That's what saved it a little bit. So one part of the screen was
Wait, so does the rice thing work? Like you can put a cracked phone to rice? What?
Yeah, I guess
not a cracked
How?
phone. Like a
I've
phone.
seen
No,
many
no, no, no,
people.
no, no. It's not a cracked phone. No, it's when it's in water, and then when you like after you get it out, if you put it in rice, if it's not fully damaged, yeah, it goes. It did. It did
I've
work.
seen many people doing it. That's why.
That's it.
Like have you seen like I can't name him, but the person with the S9 Galaxy S9,
Yeah,
do you
he
remember?
did. Yeah,
He bought that phone and it was like 2 or 3 months, and iPhone released Apple released this new iPhone. Like I guess it was the iPhone 10 at that time. iPhone 10 or
10, yeah,
11. It was the
10,
10.
11, one of that. Yeah, one of that.
Yeah. And what did he do there?
So to ask his dad for a new phone, he just took his phone, put it down the toilet, and then he just saw his phone got damaged by water or something like that. And then after that, yeah,
I mean, I was
So
better.
it's like
I didn't break it intentionally.
yeah, that's no, but like you were stupid too, like to overheat the phone like that.
I mean,
actually,
people do
so
get
now
excited. I mean, people do get excited. Yeah, when you get a new phone, you must download that. You know,
that's
that's
exactly
what
that's why you're supposed to charge it. You're supposed to take care of it. You're not supposed to ruin it like that. Thank God, man. Not so it's just
What about
yeah.
the other guy? We were just talking about him before the podcast started. Remember, right before the lockdown in Sri Lanka started, he broke his phone, and for
Oh, yeah.
7 months he didn't have a phone. He still doesn't have a phone, right?
He doesn't have phone, bro. He's
Yeah,
a,
I
he's a
mean,
real one, man. He doesn't have phone.
he's this real guy, man. Like he's living in this world without a phone. I mean, now he has a phone, but then like it has less
What I see.
storage. Yeah, so it might be really hard for him, but then he still copes up with it. Not like Abdul here. I mean, like Abdul, he broke his Note 9 in 17 hours, and then he was like, screw this, and then he went to his old phone, right? What was your old phone? The J7.
yeah, the
And he
Jason.
broke that too. He broke
So
that
that
too. Yeah.
exactly, bro. I
Uh,
don't know how you managed to do that.
it has. It just fell down and got a crack, and then my charging port, everything went up. So I don't know what's wrong with the phones I use. Maybe it's some.
Exactly.
Well,
So now
this
he's
is a
now
topic. This is a
yeah,
topic going around in Google. I've seen there is a problem with the charging ports in Samsung, right? There's something
yeah.
like
Even
that,
I
right?
had the same problem. My fast charging doesn't work. Like it's a bit
Exactly.
like messed up.
If you with Samsung, you have to be aware of that. If you have the
Samsung
warranty, you
users
can
are
just go to
suffering,
Samsung
bro.
Center and they fix it. Like.
Uh,
Okay, who are with iPhone here? Who has iPhone
no
here?
one. I'm going for
One.
iPhone. Going for iPhone. Coming soon.
Yeah, bro. This guy asks his dad everything. Every month I see that. Okay,
I'm
that's
going
supposed
for iPhone. Okay, coming soon.
It's like
coming to
his.
another iPhone.
It's like a
But
prayer
obviously,
from his dad. Every second he asks iPhone, iPhone, iPhone. It's like a prayer for his.
it's like
iPhone.
it's like yeah. I asked to be a lot of stuff from my parents, and they still buy it for me. So like I'm thankful. But
It is.
let's see. But obviously not the iPhone 12. Like that's just way too.
over the league, and I don't like the design that much. iPhone 11's better, right?
I told
I
you
don't
that
like
day.
the.
I mean,
You didn't upgrade.
all the iPhones have the same thing, yeah. Like
Design.
the same
Design.
It's
iOS.
exactly
Nothing big
even
different.
if
I feel like the
even if
iPhone
you like
11 and the 11, I mean iPhone 11 Pro Max, everything is like the same. I don't know. I'm not much into phones.
yeah, but your brother bought iPhone 12 right recently.
He bought 11 Pro. Yeah.
Oh, 11 Pro.
I love 11 Pro.
Yeah, this guy bought 11 Pro, and today I'm checking. He's putting the charger for sale. He also bought it 3 days ago with this dude.
Dude, this guy is so mixed up, bro. I don't know what to do
I
with
mean,
him.
I mean, in the new manufacturing after iPhone 12, the iPhone 11 doesn't get charger. So he bought it in some shop, which was, they said it was original. Apparently,
Oh,
it has gone for a 6.
So it's not original, huh? The
The
charger.
charge is not, no, the charge is original. It says that the earth wire isn't some problem. I don't know.
Yeah, but
okay.
according to your brother's advertisement, it says like original charger from the
Yeah, it is
manufacturer.
original. It's original.
Exposed.
This
He
guy
just got exposed by hand. He got exposed. So yeah. What the
only go let's get this going so that's the thing today we are gonna do a lot of stuff but again Abdul messed it up.
that thing
we
was
have, we have a lot planned today. We're gonna talk about our country because our country is going through pretty lot now, and then there are a lot of funny stuff to talk about too. Yeah.
Yeah.
really sad stuff to how much data France is going to. That's not going to get us into controversy. They are going
Yeah.
into a lot of debt. That's tough.
Our country is
But
going
no
through
politics. No
every
politics
month.
here. Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of episodes in this. So we're gonna have we have contacted many people. I don't think we're allowed to say that right now, but from the upcoming episodes, we all can just see.
Yeah,
I know
obviously.
you're not gonna watch this episode a lot because it's not that good. But I promise you all have to wait for the next episode. It's gonna be really,
That
really good. You all
next
can't.
day,
We are gonna
Yeah,
ask serious questions from these people.
whatever you want to know, everything.
yeah.
Get ready.
And
So yeah,
you can comment down right which influencer you want we are trying to contact everyone, but make sure it's just from Sri Lanka because we are not that famous yet. We are not famous at all.
I mean,
We're just
I mean,
starting to do.
I mean, it's online. So even if you all can get us in contact with any foreign celebrities, that would be great too.
Yeah, but celebrities in the sense not like Justin Bieber. I mean he's
Oh
not
my
famous.
God, sad.
Yeah, I mean models and all these small influencers. Yeah, someone like Haley Bieber, my
Oh
favorite.
yeah, she's more. Yeah, she's ultra modeling. I think she's more man. Yeah. Okay. So, okay. Luis
Yes. Yeah.
good at that.
No, we were talking about phones, but you missed one person. I think we can tell his name.
What's up?
Kifa.
Dude, what happened if I dude? Are you talking about the what thing?
No, the phone. His phone.
Did you break his phone too?
No, he broke his phone, but then he also used it for 1 month or 2 months, and they broke
Oh,
it.
yeah, no,
I mean, I
he's
that guy for
You,
1 year
you
and broke
forget
it.
that. Forget that. Remember my fake phone? What was that?
Yeah, dude, I knew it was no, I didn't know it was fake. All the other people were telling it was fake, and this dude
what do you
kept
mean?
on telling me, no,
I
uh,
don't know.
what was it? There was some problem with that phone, right? Oh yeah, it has 4 cameras in the back, but only 2 work. So the
No,
other 2 cameras are just dummy
actually
cameras.
one works.
Oh,
One's
great! What a
even
phone.
and the fingerprint, it says to put your fingerprint. Even if you sit on the phone, it's still unlocked.
Dude, that is messed up, man. So okay, are you sure? I just want to discuss about this topic. Can you remember the time or the watch thing? Can I discuss about it or I think it's kind of funny.
And I don't think it will become a problem if we discuss it.
Maybe,
You
maybe.
know what I mean, right?
Yeah. Nice topic, though.
Yeah, so like we are trying to keep it very cool because our parents will be watching too, so right.
That's the
So
point.
we are trying. That's why we have these innocent faces on, and hope we
You
get
know,
a
they
good.
will be watching this too, right? They will be knowing
Yeah,
what you're doing right now.
I mean, like after we get a few subscribers and become famous, and move on to our own Sri Lankan content house, we just think we can build a content house in Sri Lanka.
Oh, that's gonna be great. First one.
That's going to be like really, really nice. I saw this land. I can't tell you where the place is. That's just
I know
that's
where
just
That's like
the
that's
land is.
like advertising over here.
place.
That's
No,
like
it's
talking.
not advertising.
Abdul, you know about that place? The land I was talking about. The land. Okay,
I'm actually
Abdul has.
I don't think we discussed it with Abdul, but I think so.
Yeah, so it's this land. It's a very special land. It's not special because it's a land, but then it's just special because of the environment, the society around that land. It's really nice. It's
Mm-hmm.
very it's like a family background too. I mean, when you're old enough to
Okay,
purchase
okay.
stuff and stuff
Let's
and,
get
and
into
you know
detail about the land when we can actually tell the name of the land. Because
yeah.
they're going to be really confused because they don't know.
But,
But
but
I
just
know.
if we actually create a content house in Sri Lanka, there are many YouTubers in Sri Lanka.
They're
There
very
are
talented too.
yeah like like
Okay.
us maybe we are talented
Maybe.
we are talented too, but then we don't know
I don't
where
know
the
about
talent
that.
is in
I don't
I
know
don't
about
know where my talent is I'm just trying to do
maybe. I
everything.
don't know.
By the way, how did we get this idea? Podcast.
For that was pretty I was at home, COVID, pandemic,
No,
all
no.
both.
Remember, we
Cows.
were playing COD and we were like, what are we doing with our life right now? Just playing COD. And we actually
Yeah,
had.
exactly. We were playing Call of Duty for 8 to 9 hours per day, right? I woke
It's
up in the morning, played
dirty.
Call of Duty, and then went to sleep.
Eight, and less.
Played.
That's
Yeah,
what
I
happened.
don't
That's
I
what.
don't do anything else and then one day it just hit us, right? I guess it was I don't remember the day, but then this
So
day
we've
we
been
were
having
like
this time. We've been having this idea for some time.
yeah,
Finally, we could do it.
we were talking about long we thought of starting some other stuff. We started some other stuff too, but then it wasn't pretty good. And then we thought of starting a YouTube channel. We were talking about reviews and stuff, but then
Yeah,
we were looking at this interview that really got our attention. So
yeah,
then,
exactly.
Thanks to Call of
So
Duty.
yeah,
thanks to Call of Duty.
so about it, man.
Like
So that's when
I mean that just we just wasted half of our life
the quarantine was just all Call of Duty, and now it's
no,
kind of calmed down. But
six
quarantine,
to seven
I mean,
months,
after
six
the
to seven.
quarantine, maybe we could like get into real life perspective and a solid camera.
but you want to do real life Call of Duty, bro?
No, no, no.
What do you mean? What do you want to do?
I mean, like, you get the cameras rather than in camera where we can watch each other.
Okay.
I mean we've been trying to do this pretty long time. So guys, just please help us out and subscribe. Again, I'm telling y'all can't wait to watch the next episode. Y'all can't
Okay.
it's gonna be really really great. And again, coming back to Abdul's topic, why we started the podcast. Actually, we were not going to start a podcast. We were talking about the review stuff. Remember, we were going to rate top
But
10 cast, 10 cricketers, and all
but
those stuff.
we did talk a lot about podcasts, and we
Yeah,
really did watch a lot of podcasts.
yeah. The last,
Specifically,
yeah, we even that example, Logan Paul's Impulsive. Oh, I love that
that
podcast. One of the
I love
best
that.
podcasts. Yeah, and
Maybe one day we can do it with him.
yeah, sure. That'll be great. I mean,
Exactly.
if you're watching, subscribe.
Though again, it's tough with the subscribe to it will make sense, but it would actually mean a lot if you can support us. And yeah, but next guest is really special, so
Just to
can't
keep it
wait to
safe.
get exactly. But yeah, whatever, go for it.
I mean, it's just
Yeah,
one
so
click button, so just click it.
yeah. And these podcasts, like normally all the podcasts are like 1 hour or 1 hour like 30 minutes, but our podcasts are like pretty short. Today's video might be like 20 to 30 minutes, but then after that it might go to like 45 minutes maximum, because like
Yeah.
we are just starting. So uh first video we can't say like what our guests are, but like from the other videos we can say like what guests are gonna come, like who are the people who are gonna join the podcast and all those stuff.
I mean, we are going to keep
So
it as a surprise.
yeah, but there'll be like some special entries and stuff like that. But like if if you want to like let us ask like just let us know anything we want to ask from the celebrities or like influencers. Like we are not gonna have big celebrities because we are not in that big of a level right now. I mean, like we have contacted like pretty famous people, like like people that made quarantine good for us.
Yeah, it's very, very entertaining. That's all we can tell right now.
Yeah. Dude, so like
Yeah.
talking about Logan Paul's podcast. Okay, this dude announced that he's gonna fight Floyd Mayweather. What do y'all think? Who, Logan or
Well, I
Floyd?
would say, well, obviously, who's gonna win? Floyd.
Like,
But
we
I'm,
can't
I
actually
got
say
Logan's
that.
back. But obviously,
Yeah,
Floyd's gonna win.
We can't actually say that. Of course.
yeah, but then
What?
like I just want like Logan to win. I like Floyd Mayweather too, but then like
Because he has taken way too many years in his life. He needs to fight for me.
just one name,
Let's be
man.
honest.
Other one was a draw.
It it was a draw. He got it with KSI, and then he got the suicide forest thingy. So that's how.
Yeah, but like
Um,
he came out of it, so that's good.
yeah, but
Now
he
he's just
is really good now. So I just
like
wanted
yeah,
to take it up.
yeah. That day I was watching this video, like saying there was a time where Justin Bieber was one of the most hated people in the world. Like one of the hate. What did I just say? Like no, one of
Yeah,
the
yeah,
most hated people in the world. Yeah. And
yeah.
now that place is like almost going to Jake Paul too. Like but he starts the controversies to like get pretty famous. Like people start controversies to get famous too. He told it
I
in his
don't.
own show. I mean, like, there was this comment where he was like, I'm just earning through this. Like, do they actually earn through controversies? Like, pulling up fights?
But to be honest, he needs to kind of settle down a little bit. But I'm pretty sure, but as he gets older, he'll realize that. I'm
Yeah,
not a big fan of Jake Paul.
he's just
Logan,
doing
yes.
it. Jake, Abdul used to be a big fan of Jake Paul. Like, and
Now
now
he
he's
just
Jake
search around
Paul,
and he doesn't
Logan
even know him.
Paul, Jake Paul, Logan Paul, every Paul. I was a fan now. Just in case.
KSI is real, man.
Case
I will just
made
take
my
KSI for some.
quarantine better, so I got more into it.
uh,
Bro, you
I
didn't
hate,
watch KSI during content. Don't lie.
I did. I watched Dana.
I hate, I hate KSI.
You did.
He's
I
dead.
haven't subscribed to KSI. I like, sometimes go and dislike most of his videos. Sometimes I like it. Like,
But I will Jake Paul.
dude, remember before my birth, I don't play KSI music, but remember before my birthday, I played a KSI music in front of you, and it ruined my whole birthday. Remember what happened during my birthday?
We'll, uh, we'll
I
not talk
guess
about it
so.
right now.
Abdul, 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 you know it, man. Like you know it.
You remind me, I might know it.
Ab, yeah, Abdul's just out of touch with us because he has
There
many
was
other
a,
stuff to do now.
but there was a this thing
You know,
between us two, I remember Abdul.
yeah,
He did.
he's pretty busy these days. Like he doesn't talk much.
Yeah,
Big shot Abdul.
got some big stuff piling up there.
Yeah, I wish I can call it. Abdul's dead right now. Shall we call it dead right now?
The thing with this is like guys, if you are know Abdul, anyone who knows Abdul, obviously this is not Abdul. This is just like he's just trying to like act so innocent. This is not Abdul.
Because since many parents are gonna watch our first episode, I'm gonna be like,
Yeah,
Well,
this
you
is like
just told
yeah,
your parents
I've
in the
seen him
class.
silent. First time I'm seeing him silent. Like what's this man?
Yeah.
I mean,
Even in class, my guy doesn't stay silent. Never.
Never
Worst
satisfied with
students,
that.
the worst student in school. Huh?
Don't say
worse.
that, like, my parents,
Oh,
parents,
oh, is that why? Okay.
parents are watching.
Um, when
But
are we
you
gonna?
just told you're the worst student in school, and if your mom watches this, I don't know what she's gonna think, man.
I don't think she's going to.
Ah, it's not the worst. Definitely fun, but then we have had the ups and downs too in the
I mean,
past.
it's not the first, like, okay, when we are doing something bad, we think it's good, then we do it, but like other people think it's bad, and we get the punishment
Yeah.
for it. And but we learn out of it. I hope to God that we learn out of it. Still don't know
Yeah.
the
I mean,
change.
guys, I feel like this podcast is gonna go more than 20 minutes, so this might
Like,
have not be as entertaining, but then it is kind of
yeah.
fun. But then the next one will be 100%.
I mean, today we were just talking about us, and like, I know y'all don't want to know about us and stuff, but then please subscribe and hold on to like until the next episode comes. The next episode is gonna be out in like 2 weeks, like maximum 2 weeks, just like 7 days maximum. Like every week we'll be having an episode.
And we'll
And
make sure our
Yeah.
camera quality and stuff. Because
yeah,
it's and our connection might be lagging and stuff. Yeah.
yeah, and because
Yeah.
we are rarely gonna have like the three of us in a meeting together. Like it's gonna be like four people, like with another person to like someone to
Yeah,
talk
yeah,
to,
yeah.
and like you'll be
Definitely.
really interested to like know about. So then, thanks a lot for watching again, and hope you all had a great time, and stay safe, and peace. That's how we
Yes.
say it. Peace.
Yeah, whatever. Oh yeah, see you guys in a bit. That's it. I'll just stop.